Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandeep Raturi and in today's video I will show you how to dynamically extract text before or after a specific character in Power BI using DAX. When working with text data, you might have a situation where a single column contains values separated by a character like this: data analyst, colon, Power BI expert. Here a specific character is colon, and same you can see for the ID number 2, business intelligence, colon, SQL and DAX. Now what if you only need data analyst, or maybe you need Power BI expert? Instead of manually splitting the text, we can use DAX functions to extract this dynamically. For this demo, I have a data set with a column called job title, where some values contains a colon and others do not. And we want to extract the job title before or after the colon into a new column. If the colon does not exist, we will extract the entire title. As you can see, the output of the DAX formula before the colon is showing data analyst, because in the actual job title the text before colon is data analyst. Similarly, the text after colon formula returns Power BI expert. You can check the same logic for other job titles as well. And for ID number 5, job title is cyber security analyst. Here we don't have any colon, so that's the reason it is extracting complete job title in before colon or after colon DAX output, because here we don't have any colon in the job title. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what we want to achieve. Now let's start the practical demonstration. To achieve this, you need to create two calculate columns, one for extracted before colon and second for extracted after colon. Now right click on the dataset name and select new column. Here you will write the DAX code for the columns. I have already created the two columns, as you can see, so I won't create them again. Now I will show you the DAX code for extracting text before column. This is the DAX code and I will now explain it in detail. First, we declare a variable named colon position to store the position of colon in the text. So for that we use find DAX function. Find DAX function support 4 argument. In first argument we passed column. In second argument we passed job title column name. Third argument we didn't pass anything because it is an optional. And in last argument we passed blank. If colon is found, it returns its position. So for an example, ID number 1 job title, colon exists at 13th position. If you count the number of character for the ID number 1 job title, including space between data analyst until colon, it will come at 13th position. So for the ID number 1, it will return the 13, and for the ID number 5, there is no colon exists for the job title, so it will return the blank. In return part, we are using if condition. If DAX function support 3 argument. In first argument we check the logic or condition. If condition is true, it will come here, else here. So let's check for the ID number 1. So here we are checking the logic, colon position is equal to blank or not. So for ID number 1, colon position is 13. So here condition is false. So it will go here, and here we are using left DAX function with 2 argument. In first argument we pass the job title column name, and in second argument we are subtracting 1 from the colon position. So here colon position is 13. 13 minus 1 is equal to 12. So left DAX function will return the 12 character from left, which is data analyst. So that's the reason it is returning data analyst. I hope you understand how this DAX code is working. Now I will show you the another DAX code which is extracted after colon. If you notice here, everything is same apart from this last condition. So let's start from the variable. So here we declare the variable name colon position which store the job title colon position. So for the ID number 1, colon exists at 13th position. So here it will return the 13. And for the ID number 5, there is no colon, so it will return the blank. In the if condition, it will check the position. So here position is 13. So 13 is not equal to blank, so it will go here. And in this condition, we are using multiple DAX function such as right and length. So let's understand this condition. Here length of job title for the ID number 1 is 29. If you count the character for the ID number 1 job title, so it would be 29. And colon position was 13 because colon exists at 13th position. So 29 minus 13 is equal to 16. And then we are using right DAX function. So right DAX function will return the 16 character from the right. If you count the 16 character from the right, so it would be Power BI expert, because we subtract total number of character from the position. So position is 13, 29 minus 13 equal to 16, and from the right. So if you count from the right to 16 character, so it would be Power BI expert. And for the ID number 5, colon position is blank because there is no colon exists for the ID number 5 job title. So here condition will be true, then it will come here and it will return the complete job title name which is cyber security analyst. So in same way you can check this condition for others job title. That's all for this video. I will provide the DAX code in the video description. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.